now to check on our first warning weather. Things are actually looking pretty nice outside right now. You would think it's going to be a beautiful sunny day, but this is New Orleans and we know things can change quickly.
Yes, the live camera behind me does look very nice, doesn't it?
Deceiving, quite.
Well, and you know what? It is deceiving for two reasons. First of all, because visually you see it and you say, oh, it's going to be a nice day. More sunshine today could be more instability in the atmosphere this afternoon, and that could help to fuel a thunderstorm or two.
Yikes.
We're going to be watching that throughout the morning into the afternoon hours. Right now, it's mainly just rain with the exception of what's going on in the Gulf, but let's zoom in. First of all, the North Shore. Hammond, there you go. Rain starting to move in for you. That's going to be rain that eventually moves into Franklinton, I think, here in the next 20 minutes. Most of this rain moving to the northeast at about 20 miles per hour. That's what I gauged using our radar here at WDSU. I don't have to tell you about the rain in Thibodaux. You're seeing it right now. And we've had more rain that was in Plaquemines Parish. Looks like that's exiting and will continue to exit over the next 20 minutes. But the radar should look different later on today. Officially, flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. By the late morning and especially the afternoon, showers and thunderstorms likely getting more numerous for us. 72 degrees our temperature officially at Louis Armstrong International Airport. 68 the dew point. That's pretty high for this time of year. Southeasterly winds at 13. Breezy day today, breezy day tomorrow. This is just a very unsettled atmosphere right now. We have a trough at the upper levels. This is the main feature that's going to help to bring us the rainy weather today. Some drier air at the upper levels, probably going to move in eventually over the next 24 hours or so. But then a cold front comes through on Monday. And when that happens, another round of showers for us and the possibility of a strong storm. Now, I'm showing this computer model even though it's not initializing very well. This is not what the radar looks like right now. I just showed it to you 30 seconds ago. But it does give us an idea of what's expected to happen here by the noon hour, starting to see a few more showers develop. By the mid-afternoon, showers getting more numerous. They'll contain some pockets of some heavier rain, even through 5:30, 6 o'clock. That rain making its way to the northeast. We'll still have some showers, I think, in place through 9 o'clock, and then overnight, some more showers start to develop and move in. This model probably a little bit underdone, and stay with us in the next half hour because we're due to get an update, and I think it's going to look a little bit different for us as we look toward later on today, and especially tonight, tomorrow morning. Here's your Sunday, right around midnight, going to about 6 a.m. Some showers overnight, but decrease in cloud expected by the afternoon. And if we do have some sunshine tomorrow, and I think we will, your high temperature should make it to the mid-80s. If we get to 86, we tie the record high. So here we go. Rain totals anywhere from 1 to 3 inches are possible today. That's why the flood watch is in effect. The National Weather Service mentioned this earlier this morning, localized amounts over 5 inches. I think that that's probably a bit of a stretch, but it's something we're preparing everybody for. That's why the flood watch is in effect. And the small possibility for a strong thunderstorm today, the better chance for a strong thunderstorm probably coming on Monday when that cold front arrives. Numerous showers and thunderstorms in your forecast today. It is going to be breezy, those winds gusting up to close to 20 and even 25 miles per hour. Scattered rain and thunderstorms in the forecast tonight. Heavy rain possible again. And then tomorrow we'll start with some showers in the morning, then decrease in clouds by the afternoon. Warm, high temperature in the mid-80s in many spots. Weather impact day on Monday because of the cold front. Could have a strong storm in the afternoon Monday. Tuesday, a drier day and a little bit cooler. We get cooler for one day. Then the front returns as a warm front. Morning fog on Wednesday and warm afternoons Thursday and Friday. WDSU, first warning weather.